how to buy cryptocurrency on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can buy cryptocurrency on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to buy cryptocurrency on Binance, open the Binance application here. And once you launch the Binance application, you're going to see this type of interface. Now, normally Binance has two types of interface. I'm currently on the Binance Lite, because you can also switch to the Pro version if you want to see the Pro version as well. Now, once you've done that, right at the bottom, you'll find this infinity loop icon. And when you tap on it, you'll find the option called Buy Crypto. You can use AED or USD or whatever else you prefer, by the way. So go ahead and select Buy option. Select your Bitcoin or any other crypto that you want to actually buy here, and select the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you would like to buy. So if it is USD, you can select USD here, and then let's say I want to buy 1,000 US dollars worth of Bitcoin. I'll select $1,000, and let's see how much Bitcoin I'm going to get with 1,000 US dollars. I'll tap the buy option. So you can see I'm going to get 0.0244353 Bitcoin. So it's not even one Bitcoin. Of course, one Bitcoin is quite expensive, so I'm going to get this much Bitcoin. So you can select your payment method such as Wise, Skrill, or you can also select your credit or debit card option and tap the confirm option to buy and finish the changes for buying the cryptocurrency. And this way you can buy cryptocurrency on Binance. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.